Hey everyone. So it's been another month and I got another jewelry supply box from Bench Tool Junkies. So I'm going to go over everything in it and show you what I got. So as always, it has its little paper that goes over everything that would come in the box, depending on your size of box that you're getting. I'm going over the large box. And here is basically all of the information in case you don't know what something is, because that happens. So let's go over what came in the box. Alright, so for one of the first things, it's an info sheet that will tell you exactly what blades to use with what thickness of metal, and what size drill bits to use for whatever saw blade, because they're all different thicknesses, and this will be whatever will fit the blade into it. Which is all really handy info, and this is something that you could easily just put up and leave there. It also came with this little template here for sawing. You're gonna see a theme. Everything is sawing related, which is awesome because I do that all the time. So every bit of this is going to be useful to me. But these are just some patterns for practicing, and that you can just print out using label paper like I already do. So that's all the paper stuff. Let's get into the actual tools that came with it, or materials. So these are cut lube. So they're little things of cut lube, and it's kind of cool because it comes with a mounting plate that you can screw into your desk or wherever you'd like, and these will just click in place. So yeah, basically you could just keep these clicked into here, and whenever you run out of this or want to move it or whatever, you could just slide it out and leave this there ready to be refilled with one of these. And it came with 4 of these, and at least for me, these last a really long time, so this is a large supply of this. So it also came with this, which is something a little bit different. This is a holder for all your saw blades, and everything is labeled, if you'll focus, on it. So yeah, it's nice that, like, the design of this is really cool. And this whole thing is 3D printed. So basically all you have to do is turn this and it will open up each one that you want to get into. And you can see over here if there's stuff inside of them or not. And this is full of the laser gold saw blades from Rio Grande. So yeah, that's pretty cool because a lot of these, it's all open on the top and you can easily dump it over, and then you have a bunch of saw blades you need to clean up. So it's a very nice design. And last but not least, the Green Lion saw frame, which came with a bunch of stickers too. But this is a frame that I've used in the past, and I actually have one that's very used and kind of gold now from using a brass brush on it. It'll actually turn the black coating gold. But yeah, I do like this saw frame. It's really nice. It doesn't fit everything I need to do, so that's the only drawback for me, because I cut larger pieces that it just won't fit. But if you're not dealing with that, then this is a really good saw frame. And it's awesome that I have 2 of them now. Alright, so that's everything that came in this month's box for January 2020. And if you'd like to get your box for next month, or even every month, because you can basically get a one-time purchase or a monthly subscription, you can head over to benchtooljunkies.com and order yours. And if you do, use the discount code GoMeowCreations, and you can get a $30 valued gift for free with your first purchase. So I'll show you how to do that now. So when you're at benchtooljunkies.com, all you have to do is click on the subscribe now part, and it will take you to the supply box page. And you could pick your one-time purchase or your subscribe and save. And it will basically send you one every month. And you can pick the size of the box you want. Once you do that, you can add it to your cart. And then before you go to checkout, click back on it again and go down here to get your free gift, and then add that to your cart also. Now go to checkout. Alright, so now that we're at the checkout page, all you need to do is enter your email address here, and then go over here and enter the code GoMeowCreations, and it will take $30 off your order, which is the amount of the free gift, making it free. And then you can continue by going through and adding the rest of your information and checking out. So thank you for watching my video, and if you liked it, feel free to leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. And if you would like to be updated every time I post a new video, subscribe to my channel. I try to put out a new video every week. Well, thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye!